हमारा, तिरंगे की शान में झुके सिर हमारा, गणतंत्र दिवस है उत्सव क्या। एकता की नींव से बना है ये देश, एकता की नींव से बना है ये देश, हर दिल में बसे संविधान का संदेश। जय हिंद। Good morning everyone. So today we are honoring the pride and glory of our nation, and let's continue with the celebrations by acknowledging and applauding the achievements of our Wonderites. So a huge round of applause for everybody who all participated, who all won, be it football, basketball or any other activity. Our participants gave a tough time to their opponents. So huge round of applause everyone. Special round of applause for all the mentors, for all the teachers, parents, especially the sports department. Thank you so much all those who were there, the guiding light behind them. And now I will be announcing the names. You all already have your certificates. You know the pattern how to come up on the stage. So let's start with the celebration. But well before that, I request our worthy Vice Principal Ma'am to please come up on the stage. Thank you, ma'am. Let's start with the Cyril Kaur from grade 7B, who won bronze medal in aerobic gymnastics championship in Jammu in junior category. There's Cyril from 7B. Congratulations, and I request also Simran Kaur from 6B to join us the same at the National Aerobic Gymnastics Championship held in Jammu. Join us the same competition. Congratulations, huge round of applause everybody. Let's appreciate, applaud their achievement, their return. Let it acknowledge. Vitraj, where are you? Really proud of you. Thank you. Keep applauding because of course now it's time to celebrate the house achievers from grade 8 basketball inter-house tournament. Oak House! Congratulations all the participants of the winners. I request Amanjot, Ronak, Sakshi, Sachirat, Vatsal, Gurkirat, Sabir, Yashvardhan, Viti, please come up on the stage. Samrit, Anaisa and Rakshan, please come on the stage and join us. Congratulations everyone. Other houses. Congratulations. Basketball inter-house grade 8. Oak House once again. Congratulations. Now next achievement. Jaimal Singh. Yes. Who has with football inter-house grade 9? Grade 9. The winner is again Oak House. Wow. Oak House. Cedar House, congratulations. Grade 8 for Cedar House. I missed them all. I request Gurrat, Ishka, Gulfaz and Parthakashmi. Congratulations to all of you. Congratulations to all the participants.
Respected Vice Principal Ma'am with us. I invite her to share her thoughts and lessons.
Oh, there was so much of energy and the audience really, you were enjoying so much. So, last assembly of the year, and what a lovely performance by class 8A, B and C. A big round of applause for all of the sections and especially their class teachers. I want them to be here on stage. Come. It is not easy to organize, to coordinate all the 3 sections, and each and every child has participated, and children, you were so good. So thank you Renu ma'am, Upasna ma'am, Rupali ma'am and Monica ma'am. Please come. Yes, come. They can have one picture. I think all the times children get the limelight. Please come. Please come. Yes. So, lovely performance. Thank you so much, music and dance department. It is your I think guidance that is always there. And children, today I thought that this assembly was so good. Social science department also has contributed. Where is social science department? Although maybe you took here and they could put up such a wonderful show on Constitution. So, a big round of applause not only for class teachers, our social science teachers also. Yes. What a lovely presentation of Constitution. We always celebrate and we think that it is just a festival of celebration. We were not knowing that what was the toil behind preparing our Constitution, and inputs were not only taken from one country but inputs were taken from many countries. So thank you so much, children, for creating that awareness. And now what we all need to do, we have to we have to follow whatever is written in our Constitution. Freedom to express ourselves. We are a free country, but freedom comes with responsibility. It comes with accountability. So we have to make this promise today that along with our freedom, we will be following our duties as well as fulfilling our responsibility and be accountable for our actions. So this was the last assembly and it was a wonderful session that is about to end now, and all the children, everybody is gearing up for the final exam, and I know you are all excited for your new beginning, for the new class. So I wish you all the very best for upcoming examination and a very happy 76th Republic Day. So thank you so much, Class 8 once again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. As we conclude today's assembly, let us stand in pride and unity to sing the national anthem.
Bold and bright, a symbol of hope, of truth, of light. Our Constitution leads the way, guiding us on this glorious day. Justice and freedom in every stride. Unity and pride walk side by side.
Young hearts arise, let your voices sing. Celebrate the joy this day will bring. India's spirit, forever strong. In every heart it beats lifelong. Together we march, hand in hand. Proud citizens of this cherished land. Thank you.